In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube Shorts copyright issue. If you got a copyright strike on your YouTube channel and you're trying to fix this issue, there are a couple of things that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can do is try replacing the song that you have currently added in. For the most part, these copyright issues are likely due to the music or sound that you've added into your videos. So what you can do is try replacing the copyrighted music and then adding in a new music from a safe library such as YouTube Music Library. Other than this, what you can also try out is try erasing or completely muting the sound if it is not completely necessary. Also, you can try cutting out a part from the video that has that particular claim on it. After you do these couple of steps, your claim of copyright issues should be removed. But however, if you do think that you have the license or have the permission or claim that the strike is invalid, you can easily dispute this. So here you'll be able to see the option called dispute. Whenever you get a copyright issue or a copyright strike, you can just tap on this submit dispute option if you think that you have the license or if you think that the copyright is not completely correct. So you can just tap on this option and then dispute this over with the other creator that has sent this copyright strike. After doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the YouTube Shorts copyright issue. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.